Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how you can do factory reset in your Poco C85 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So first you have to open your settings, click on search and right here reset. So here it is reset options, click on reset options, erase all data. So friends, here it is. You can erase all data. It will erase all the data from your phone's internal storage, including Google account, system, app data, settings, downloaded app, photo, video, other user data, even your SD card. So if you want to backup anything, if you want to remove the SD card, if it is inserted, your SD card data will also be deleted or erased. Backup your Google account, remove your Google account, remove your SD card, remove photos and videos that are important to you, backup these and then erase all data. After erasing all data, it will never be back again. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.